Hello students, how are you? So we will study environmental studies. So let's start. So children, we will see chapter number 16, who will do this work. Now children, in the first video we have seen which kind of job or work people want to do and which kind of work or job people don't want to do. Okay, and we have seen the reasons behind that also, that why means why that people are doing such kind of work which others don't want to do that. So we have seen that reason behind that, and we have seen that each and every work is equally important. After that, now we will see next topic related to this lesson. So let's see children. Now do you think that anyone has ever tried to change the situation? So we have seen that many people, just like we have seen Gandhi ji, Dr. Narendra Modi ji. Then many people have tried the work. Mother Teresa, Sant Gadge Baba. So many people are there who did efforts for such type of people. Now people are trying even today for their betterment. Now, but it is not easy to change this. One such person was Mahatma Gandhi. So Gandhiji had a friend, and the name of that friend was Mahadev Bhai Desai. So as they are living in Gujarat, so behind the name they are saying Bhai. Okay, so the name was Mahadev Bhai Desai, and Mahadev Bhai's son Narayan also stayed with Gandhiji when he was young. Understood the situation, that Mahatma Gandhiji is there. So Mahatma Gandhiji's friend was there, whose name was Mahadev Bhai Desai, and Mahadev Bhai Desai's son was Narayan, who was also stayed with Gandhiji when he was young. Okay, so Narayan also stayed with Gandhiji when he was young. So this incident is from Narayan's book. Who is Narayan? Narayan is Mahadev Bhai's son, and Mahadev Bhai is friend of Gandhiji. So from that book this incident is kept for you to study. So let's see that incident. So now see what Narayan is saying about his incidents. Okay, so when Narayan, and in bracket it is given Babla, so they were saying Babla to him. So about 11 years old. See, only 11 years old that child was there. Okay, and he was staying in Gandhiji's Sabarmati ashram. Okay, which is in Gujarat. So he was staying in Gandhiji's Sabarmati ashram. Now, like everyone else in the ashram, he had to do various kinds of work. And you know, in ashram, each and every person have to do each and every work by themselves. Means they have to do each and every work. So one of his jobs was to teach the guests how to clean the toilets. Means one of his job was there to teach the guest how to clean the toilet. Means guests also have to clean the toilets in the ashram. So his job was that to teach them how to clean the toilet. Now in those days the toilets were not what we know today. At that time the toilets were having different structure. There used to be holes under which baskets were kept. Means one hole was there, okay, and below that basket was kept. One big hole was there, and below that basket was kept. Okay, now people sat on the holes. And later the baskets had to be lifted by hand to be emptied. Just now when any person is going for toilet, after that flush is there, right? So nobody have to clean that, only flush is there. So with the help of water everything is clean. But now at that time the situation was very different. means on the whole people used to sit for toilet, and below in the bucket that toilet was they used to collect, and after filling that bucket also to be emptied. Now that is also one kind of work, to take out that bucket and to make it empty. So it was the usual practice that people from a particular community would do this work. Particular community people always used to come to take that bucket, and they used to keep it empty in their luggage, whatever the thing is there to keep that. So but in Gandhiji's ashram, every person had to carry that particular basket to the compost pit and empty it there. See, Gandhiji's thinking. Each and every person had to carry that basket, and they have to keep it empty to make a compost over there. No one was excused from this task. Each and every person was equally important, and they have to do this job. Now, so even guest also. So Narayan Bhai remembers how some people used to try and avoid this work. Some people, their mentality is not there to do work, such kind of work. So always they used to avoid that kind of work. So some even left the ashram because of this, because some people don't like to do that work. So some people left that ashram also, because each and every person have to do that work, to take that basket and to take away that to make it compost, and they have to keep that basket empty over there. So some people left that ashram also because of that reason. Some years later, Gandhiji went to stay at a village near Wardha in Maharashtra. So after some years, Gandhiji went to stay at a village which is called Wardha, which is in Maharashtra. So Gandhiji, Mahadev Bhai and others started to clean the toilets in the villages. Okay, means in that village, Gandhiji started to clean the toilets over there also. So they did this for some months. For some months they did this work to clean the toilets. Okay, one morning a man coming from the toilet saw Mahadev Bhai. One man was coming out from the toilet and he saw Mahadev Bhai, which is Gandhiji's friend, which was Gandhiji's friend. Okay, so he pointed to him and said, there is a lot of dirt over there, go and clean that. Means that person was giving order to Mahadev Bhai that you have to go over there is lot of dirt is over there, so you have to go inside that and you have to clean that. So when Babla saw this, he was very angry. Babla means what? Narayan, who was Mahadev Bhai's son. So he got very angry at that time. So he thought the villagers felt that this was not their work. What villagers were thinking, that is not their job. Okay, this was for Gandhiji and his team to do. Means that Gandhiji and his team will do all this work. And that's why that person was giving order to that Mahadev Bhai. So he asked Gandhiji why this was so. Gandhiji replied, untouchability is a serious matter. Lot of hard work will be required to change this. Untouchability means what? At that time, people used to treat that people very badly. People were not even touching them. They were not even allowed them to drink water also many years back. Okay, so Narayan knew that the people who usually did this work were thought to be untouchable. Means whomsoever the people will do that work, that people used to consider that are untouchable people. So he asked, what is the use if the village people do not change their thinking? They have become used to someone else doing this work for them. Means usually villagers were thinking that this is not their job, this is another people's job, untouchable people, community people job. So their mentality was like that only, villagers mentality. So Narayan knew that the people who usually did this work were thought to be untouchable. He asked, what is the use of the village people do not change their thinking? Means that village people should change their thinking. So they have become used to someone else doing this work for them. Means other people will do that work. Villagers were thinking that we will not do that job. Gandhiji replied, why? Don't you think the people who clean also benefit from it? They also learn a lesson. To learn something is like learning a new skill, even if it is a cleaning job. See the thinking of Gandhiji. Even though we are cleaning something, we are getting a new lesson from that. So, little Narayan was not convinced. He was very angry for all these things. He again argued, those who make a place dirty but do not clean it should also learn the lesson. Means that Narayan was saying that people are making that place dirty, but they are not cleaning that. So that people should also get the lesson from that. They should also learn something from that. So Gandhiji and Narayan continued to argue about this, but when he grew up, Narayan always followed the path shown by Gandhiji. Means when he was arguing, he was 11 years old, but after some years, he got matured and he always followed the path which is shown by Gandhiji. So this is one incident, very nice incident they have given. So we should also learn one lesson from that each and every job is equally important. We should not wait for others that person will do that work. We have to take care of ourselves, and side by side we have to do all this job also. So here some questions are asked for you children, that what is the toilet arrangement in your house. Okay, so where is the toilet, inside house or outside the house, and who is cleaning that toilet. Then how that the man who was returning from the toilet behaved with Mahadev Bhai. Why did he behave like this? So some questions are asked about this. Okay, now another one short story is given, that is also very good. So we have to see that story, and after that one conversation is also given. So a childhood story is there. This story is almost 100 years ago, means 100 years old. 7 years old Bhim went to Goregaon in Maharashtra with his father to spend his holidays. Bhim went to Goregaon to spend holidays with his father. He saw Baba cutting a long hair of a rich farmer's buffalo. Means that Baba was cutting the buffalo's hairs. Okay. Now he thought of his own long hair and he went to the barber and asked for a haircut. Means he went to the barber and he was asking for his haircut. So the barber replied, if I cut your hair, both my razor and I will get dirty. Oh, so to cut human hair can be dirtier than cutting an animal's hair. Means that Baba was saying that I can cut that animal's hair, but I cannot cut your hair. Then if I will cut your hair, then my razor and if I cut your hair, both my razor and I will get dirty. So that person was saying like that. So so that wondered the little Bhim, and later this little Bhim was known as Dr. Bhim Rao Babasaheb Ambedkar, and he became very famous across the world. So Baba Sahib fought for justice for people like him, because each and every person was treating them just like untouchable person. So after India's freedom, the constitution was prepared under the leadership of Baba Sahib, and we are still following that children, that constitution. Okay, so this is a very short story about Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar. Now next conversation is given, which is among the children in the school. So now see what Hetal is saying. Hetal, I am Hetal. Means Hetal is saying I am Hetal and this is Meena. We both study in class 3. Means they both were studying in class 3, Hetal and Meena. So question was asked, what all do you do in the school? So Meena is giving answer, we clean the ground. Now again question was asked, do all children clean? So Hetal was saying no, not all. So Meena was saying we also have to clean the toilets. We do it on different days. I clean on Monday, she does on Tuesday, and she on Wednesday. All the children from our community do this. Means all children were cleaning the toilets also in over there. So Hetal was saying we have to carry 20 buckets of water for this, and we have to sweep and wash also. Means they have to sweep, they have to wash, they have to clean the toilets also, and they have to carry 20 buckets of water for cleaning purpose. So question was why only you? Why not all the children? So Hetal was saying only we have to. If we don't, we get bitten. If we don't, we get bitten. Means if they are not doing that job, so means some people are beating them also. So in this way their conversation is given, children. So this is about a childhood story of Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar, Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar. Means after freedom, constitution was prepared under the leadership of Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar, and today we have seen a topic related to touchability. Okay, we have seen about great people in this chapter, children, and we have seen how that people are suffering, how they are treated by other people. So children, one great value we can get from this lesson, that each and every person is equally important, each and every work is equally important, no work is superior, no work is inferior. So this is about this lesson. Gandhiji used to say that every person should do every kind of work. Yes, children. At our home also we can do every kind of work. We should not think that this particular thing is that will be done by other people. I will not do that job. I will do this only. I will only study. I will not do other job. It is not like so. So what do you feel about this? If everyone followed this, what are the things that would change? And what are some changes that will happen in your own house? In your own house, you can start from that. And they have shown you one bhajan also, which is very famous for, it is in Gujarati, that is Vaishnava jana to tene kahiye je पीड़ पराई जाने रे पर दुखे अपमान सहेजे मन अभिमानना na aneri. So this is a bhajan which is very favorite of Gandhiji. So this is about this lesson, children. So thank you, children, for watching this video, and keep all the things in your mind and behave like that. Being a human being is a very good thing. So we should have all values inside our mind. Then only we can become a good human being, and after becoming a good human being, we can be definitely a very good student also. Okay, so think about it and read lesson very carefully. Thank you for watching video.